Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Early Standard English C by Cantab publisher. And remember that all the books of Cantab are approved by Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board. And our slogan is One Curriculum, One Nation. And what's there? Oh, again, a digraph. It's a digraph. Whenever there are two letters A and I, they join together to give us a single sound, and this is what we call a sound. I have a pain in my ear. Pain. Look at here. You can begin by showing some flashcard to your student. So let's look at here. Who is he? He is a boy. And you know, his name is Zan. He is Zan. And Zan is sitting in a train. Good. And outside there is rain. Now, look at the flashcard again. Zan, train, rain. And I told you that I have a pain. There is something common, and this is a. After this, you can encourage your student to tell you the words having this sound. After having their feedback, you can show them more pictures like this. Look at here. What is this? Tail. Do you have a tail? No. Only animals have a tail. Okay. What is this? Male. Good. This is male. And what is this? Snail. Snail, male, and tail. Now what you can do, you can give them the flashcards and you can ask them to look at their flashcard and to stand up if they are having a flashcard giving them this sound. If they are not having the flashcard with this sound, they have to keep on sitting. After playing this very game with your student, what you can do, you can paste these flashcards here, or you can draw the pictures like this. Students, look at here. What's going on? What is the picture showing? Rain. 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 Now look at here. What is the picture showing? It's train. It's train. It's train. Now you can do that. What you can do, you can redistribute flashcards among your students and you can encourage them to look at the flashcard and try to write down the name of the picture or the object at the back of the flashcard. After this, you can invite them to open their books. And firstly, what you have to do, you have to cup your hand over your ear as if you are hard of hearing and say, A. You may show them that you are feeling pain. You have a pain. After this, invite them to read all the A words. Then encourage them to look at the pictures and name the pictures like this: snail, male, nail, and tail. After this, introduce this exercise firstly on the board. Let the students come one by one and complete the missing words. Then let them have the completion of the page by themselves. Now what you can do, you can use the shoe boxes. You can encourage the student to use the shoe boxes and make a train and write down these words in the boxes. As a homework, what you can do, you can ask them to prepare a list of A words at their home. After doing all these things at classroom, what you can do, you can make a flashcard like this and distribute it among the students and let them walk in the pair form and try to write words here. Thank you very much.